Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at a Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to cancel open order. Okay? So, last time I have done some of the videos related to placing stop loss orders. Especially I've been done two videos getting position, and then in from getting margin position how you can place the order. Okay, so both way you can utilize. From positions, all of the things are easy because we are fetching real-time positions, and from that we are able to get the entry price, size, and the liquidation price. Okay, as of right now, what we are doing liquidation price, so that is very much getting simple. Okay, as you can see, I mean already positions are running, and some of the orders are there, and which have been already placed on stop loss order. Okay, with the help of this code. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna place one more time the stop loss order, and I try to show how we can place orders, stop loss order, and how we can cancel them. Okay, so just copy this stuff. Just just say that any of the things which you are doing, if you basics are strong, then everything will get stronger day by day. Okay, so as you see, things which you are trying to get is getting product ID, the prices, and from that whatever we are doing is getting simpler and simpler. Okay, so let's paste this ID and just check it out. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in ID, and definitely the prices which is running as of right now for this will be 11, and the for around 4,500 is the strike price. Okay, so we have to change this stuff. So what we have to say, instead of 7 we just have to say 4, and in this we have to do some changes. So I tried to get less as much as possible. Okay, and we'll try to get the limit price nearby the liquidation price, so that is also you can move. So we're definitely gonna get a order response. So let's check whether we are getting an order response or not. From this cancel order, this required is a product ID and this order ID, whichever you want to cancel. Okay, as you can see, I've been created one more order which I'm going to show you. So this is our ID. Okay, which in the background I'm gonna run. So what we can do, I just I have to say this order response whatever we got. We just get this an ID. We just have to say this and we are able to solve this stuff. Okay, otherwise I just have to say I will try to create one more stuff as an order ID, and I have to say order response as an of ID. Okay, so it will be great. So I can get this stuff. Now what I have to call is cancel underscore order. Okay, so this is I have to say, and I have to call delta underscore client, which I already called. I have been authorized the delta client, and I already have to say cancel order, in which there will be product ID will be there. So it is already there, and we have to say the order ID. Okay, that's it, and we are able to cancel this stuff. I have to print this stuff as a cancel order. Okay, so which I'm gonna show you in the real time how I'm doing this stuff. So I just place this stuff and I will cancel in the real time. Okay, so let me get you to the browser and show you the orders. Okay, as you can see, the orders are there, and stop orders we got 2, and the third order which I will place and try to cancel. Okay, I'll show you in real time. One more order will be there, and it will ultimately cancel the orders. We'll try to say. See, as you can see, I got one more order, and I think within an instant it should get cancelled. So let's see this stuff. So we are getting some errors. We will try to rectify. So I think I've been the product ID which have been mentioned not correct. So I have to recorrect. The spelling was wrong. And let's run this stuff one more time and see whether we are placing orders and cancelling or not. Okay. So one more order we got, and as you can see the order is cancelled. Okay, in the real time that is how you can do, and you can cancel these orders, and whichever you want you can keep the stuff. Okay, so that is how the simple way, from one step to other. I mean, especially if you first of all the thing is we required some of positions, especially this is very much important. In this all the stuff is required. Once we get, we can try to cancel the orders or create the orders, whichever we want we can do. Okay, so how are the things based on this? So this is important, getting real-time positions and margin positions. So I've been already done video and given the code, so try to follow, so that will be better. And from the basics I've been already given the code and video, so try to get those things. Okay, and almost all every basics is covered. Whatever as of right now we are doing will be on the basics. We can do some of the copy paste and change as we do CRUD operations like create, read, update, delete. So that is mostly things will be available. Okay, on my side try to do this stuff. Okay, and as monsoon offer is there, so options trading as of whatever the charges are there has been went to 50% off. You try to utilize. Okay, you can go with the option buying, selling. Okay, mainly you can go with the option selling, which is not possible in Indian market. Okay, you have to pay a lot, but in this case only from 1,000 rupees you can get started. Okay, so try to see. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me that by WhatsApp. Thank you.